Hi guys, Shipper speaking. We back with another video, guys. Yo guys, it's kind of raining right now, so I don't know if my sound is actually clear, you know. But I was kind of disappointed by yesterday's video. I found that it doesn't have sound, so I couldn't actually like post it. I actually revealed, the strategy that I actually use, but I'm still gonna actually reveal the strategy, and I hope you guys are going to go out there and practice. You understand? Because it's very important, for you to practice. This thing is like math, guys. Let me just delete this. This thing is like math, guys. For you to be able to be good with math, you need to go out there and practice. Same thing as accounting, you need to go out there and practice. So we're going to need few things, guys. You know, we're going to make use of period separators right here. This horizontal lines that you actually see right here, because now we are able to see what happened, you know, yesterday. So this is yesterday's move basically, and then this is the move that happened the day before yesterday. So the main aim of this strategy, guys, is because you want to be able to see what happened the previous day. So basically we're trading based on what happened the previous day. You understand what I'm saying? So this was the day before yesterday, and those lines were actually drawn using this move right here. So I'm going to show you exactly, how I came about it, because the time I make the analysis, we were still somewhere around here, right? So I want to actually explain to you exactly what happened. You can see dotted lines right here, guys. This is called the intraday. This is where the market closed yesterday on this candle, and then it opened the following day right here. So we kind of opened with a wick right here, and then we rejected, and then we closed above, this support right here. There's a strong support at this level right here, and you can see that I made use of 30 minutes chart, guys. So this is where I'm going to draw my horizontal lines. So I want to show you how to actually set out the strategy. You understand, guys? So basically what's going to happen is that this was the low of the previous day, right? So we were here, you understand? So this was the low of the previous day, because this was yesterday, right? So it was the previous day. So now we put this at the low right here, and then what's going to happen is that we're going to find the highest point, which is this level right here. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to lock this. I'm going to lock this because I don't want them to move, and then I'm going to edit the price. You understand? I'm going to edit the price of this line. I don't want anything after the comma, so I'm going to delete the comma 2, right? And then I'm going to do the same thing. The reason why I'm actually deleting the commas is because I want my calculation to actually be exact. You understand what I mean, guys? So it's all about calculations out here, guys. You need to practice the strategy for you to be good with it, and you'll understand exactly what is happening. So you can see that this was the high. I'm looking at this, and now you can see that I have a touch here, I have a touch here, I have a touch here. You understand? You can really see that this level was very respected a lot of times. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So you can also see even here, the level was respected. You understand? So what I'm going to do, guys, right now is that I'm going to find the difference between the 2 points. You understand? I'm going to find the difference between the two price. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say 15,956. I'm going to say 15,956 minus 1507. You understand? I'm going to check the difference because I want the middle um, zone right here. These are the main key levels. So I want the other main key level in between. You understand? So let me just change this. I'm going to change that, and then it's going to be a bit bigger. So what's going to happen is that 15, let me continue doing this, 15,704. So basically guys, it's 249 points. You know, the difference between this, two levels. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to say 249 points, which I actually got from here, and then I'm going to divide it by 2, right? I'm going to divide it by 2. It's 249 divided by 2, which is going to be 124, right? It's going to be 124. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to say 1570 15707 plus 124 points, which is giving me the 15831. So I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to edit on settings, the price. And guys, the main reason why we're actually doing all these lines is because we want to know our entry points, because it's very important, to get like those proper entries, especially on indices, guys. We need proper entries. We can't afford to lose any amount of money out here. So we must take all, guys. As much as we know that trading is a probability, we must understand. So you can really see, guys, that this is the level of resistance from here, right? But you can also see that along this, there's this level right here which is a bit strong, because you can see that it has tested multiple times right here. It has tested multiple times right here. You can see. So now what's going to happen is that I'm going to find the difference between these two. Well, we have said it's 124, so we're going to say 124 we divide it by 2, right? 124 divided by 2, which is 62 points. So we're going to actually add this by 62, 5707 by 62, which is going to be 1,769. So basically it's actually 15,769 somewhere here, right? So what's going to happen is that we're going to actually edit this. Let me just draw a new one, and then I'm going to change this to 2, change the color to red, and then I'm going to lock this, and then I'll go to settings, and then I edit this. So it's 69 right here. So yeah, this is the amount in, this is the price, that is in the middle. And then I'm also gonna find another price for the side right here. So I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to clone it, and then I'm going to go to settings. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is that I'm going to add 62 by 15831, right? Which I'm going to get 15893. So I'm going to add that 15893, which is the price that I got. So this is where I got, my price. So basically you can see, guys, yesterday we had FOMC event, and you can really see what happened right here. Right at this point, this was my intraday, right, where the market closed. As you can see, this period separator right here, the market closed here and then it opened here. So what happened is that after it opened, it went all the way up, right? So around the London session, the opening of London session, we went and retest on the intraday, which is this level right here. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to highlight that level, right, of the of the intraday, which is this level right here. I'm going to highlight this level right here. This was a very sensitive area, so it came back and retest here and then it rejected. So it was giving us that we are going to buy, you understand? So what happened is that it had to actually complete the structure. So what I was actually looking at in terms of structure, guys, is that I was looking at this nice head and shoulders. This thing, guys, is a shoulder, and then the head, and then this was the right shoulder. So it actually formed a proper shoulder right here by actually creating a double top for showing that I'm turning back right now. And if you can actually check, guys, before the event we actually came and retest on this level right here. This is how accurate the strategy is, you understand? So we came back to this level right here. As you can see, we were on an uptrend. You can actually draw it and see by yourself and confirm, you understand? You were on an uptrend right here. So it respected this trend right here and we went all the way up just like that. And then from here, this is where we actually sold after this level right here. We completed our what? Our head and shoulders. So from here, guys, this is where we actually targeting. We're targeting back to this level again. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to be expecting, you see, this is a point where you buy already, because we're having this week right here. We're having a rejection on this nice support right here. So this is where we're gonna come and make a retest here, and then we need to form some kind of a W or a double bottom right there before we actually continue to go all the way down. So either after, since we broke the intraday, this is where the market closed yesterday, and then this is where we at right now. So what's gonna happen is that we're gonna come here and retest on the intraday, and then what's gonna happen is that we're gonna continue to go with the move, upside. You understand what I'm saying? So this is what I'm actually targeting to be hitting right at this level. If not this level right here, I will hit somewhere around this area right here. So we will definitely see how we're gonna go about, but you can really see that we'll also be retesting on this trend line right here that you see, because now it has given us some kind of a nice trend right here, which we actually broke and just gave a small retest. So we need a solid move right here to come and retest to this point right here, and from here we can either go all the way down and then continue, or continue to buy. You understand what I mean? So we'll definitely have to see how it reacts towards this level right here, because you cannot just make all these crazy predictions. So I'm going to remove all this, And then my confirmation will be that we have reacted on this level right here. We have to get some kind of a double bottom right here. You understand what I mean? And that's where I'm going to enter it somewhere here. So I'll be patient with this. I'll wait for London session to actually give me direction, and then we actually kill this thing. You understand what I mean, guys? So it's a matter of checking the structure and then being able to plot in this horizontal lines, guys. Know how to use them. You understand what I mean, guys? Know how to use them, and make sure that like you're accurate as much as you can, because that's why I decided to make calculations out of this at the end of the day. You understand? So this still applies because you can really see that the price respected these levels right here. You understand what I mean? So now it's gonna come at least at this level, and then if we break, we know that this is where we're targeting, and then we continue. We form something like a W, right? I mean, like a double top right here, and then we sell again back to this level. If not back to this level, to the intraday right here, and then we continue to look for those, short buys right there to make a retest, on this head and shoulders right here, because remember it has failed to break this level. You see, it has closed with the what, with the week right here, so it shows that this level is a very strong level. You understand what I mean, guys? So for entries, guys, you're gonna have to go to smaller time frames like 5 minutes, because on 5 minutes, guys, you are able to see the chart very clearly. You understand what I mean, guys? So let me remove this. So you can really see, guys, that um this market actually um opened with a gap here. This is where the market closed, and then when the market when the market opened, we opened with a gap. So now we came back and retest back to this trend line right here to come and cover this gap. So we're going to go all the way up to this level right here. You understand? We're going to go all the way up to this level right here, and then we come back and retest back to the intraday. Guys, the strategy is pretty simple. We come back and retest on the intraday, and then we continue to look forward for our buys right here. So we will definitely have to see how the market plays, and let's just make sure that we kill this thing. You understand what I mean, guys? But this thing, guys, it's pretty simple. You'll be able to check it as long as it's inside all these horizontal lines, and if you made proper calculations, guys, you definitely um gonna make a killing out of this strategy right here. You understand what I mean, guys? So this is what you're going to be looking at. I mean, we have seen that this level right here has been respected a lot of times. So this is where I'm going to be looking to enter. I'm going to be looking for this to come and test this level and come back to this level right here. So this is where I'm going to be entering while it's now creating an uptrend right here. And this is exactly what happened, guys, yesterday. You can go to the left hand side and actually see what happened exactly. You can really see that we have respected this level right here. We went all the way up on the market open, and then around London session, we came back and retest on the intraday, which was this level right here. You can see that it also opened that small gap right here, and this is where we kind of covered, and then boom, we went all the way up, throughout. You understand? So this is where the market has been playing, and look what happened. We had a massive drop right here. So this is what you're going to be looking at right now, and let's make sure that we kill this market, guys. So Peace out, guys. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel and press that like button, guys. And let's go practice, guys. Let's go practice. Let's go make that money. So peace out, guys. Thank you.